For phonics today, we are working on I can read GN words. GN says N because the G is silent. Sometimes it's at the beginning of a word, like here and here and here and here. So all of those would say N at the beginning. Sometimes it's at the end of the word, like here, N, N. Sometimes it's in the middle of the word, like here, N. And here it's at the beginning again. Let's take a look at these pictures. Some of them are a little tricky. So, my turn, your turn. New, that's an animal. Gnash. Gnash means to put your teeth together in a fierce way. Design. This one's tricky. This is a sign. The sign is blank. It doesn't have anything on it, so it can be kind of confusing. Gnat is an insect. Gnome is a little funny looking man with a pointy hat. Gnaw, this dog is gnawing on his bone. Assignment, you are doing an assignment right now. Let's look at those again. My turn, your turn. New, Nash, design, sign, gnat, gnome, gnaw, assignment. When you are done dragging and dropping the pictures to the correct boxes, make sure to press the turn-in button.